Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to download or install Sentience, the Android style game on PC. So without wasting time, here follow the steps. So first of all, open Steam and in the store, search for the Sentience, the Android Tales game, and then click on this game. Scroll down and here you will see get Sentience, the Android style game free to keep when you get it before 23rd April. So you can see that it is a minus 100% discount, and if you download before 23rd April, then you will get this game for free and you can keep this game forever in your account. So click on add to account and then click to install now, and here you will see Sentience the Android Tail 462.16 MB. So click on install and then go to library, and here you can see that the game is getting downloaded on my PC. So I hope by following these steps you can easily download or install Sentience the Android style game on PC for free if you download the game before 23rd April 2026. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.